Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a March favorite shake. I have honestly only had this shake during March. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and share this recipe, and it's my first time sharing it. So last March it's not on my YouTube, although I do plan on redoing all those March videos from last year because let me just say we all start from somewhere. So I do have a bunch of March and Easter recipes posted on my YouTube channel. They are just from when I first started, so no judgment zone here. Anyways, I'm going to start with my cup of ice and water. This is a 24-ounce cup, and I like to blend up my ice and water before I add my products, just because to me it makes the texture the way I like my shake. So I do get a lot of comments of people trying it and they're like, oh my god, I would have never thought. So go ahead and try that out. If it works for you, let me know in the comments below. And also about these cups, if you Google any restaurant depots or kitchen depots in your area, you may be able to find these cheaper than Amazon. So I wish you guys luck on that. And we're going to hop into the recipe now. We are going to use our mint chocolate. So you're going to use 2 scoops of mint chocolate. And again, this recipe, it might bug you out, but don't knock it till you try it, y'all, because I'm just gonna say I'm not a peanut butter lover, but I do love this shake. So 2 scoops of mint chocolate, and as oddly as it sounds, we're going to pull out our peanut cookie protein drink mix. I know we use vanilla a lot, we use chocolate sometimes, peanut cookie not so much, but this recipe does call for it, and I do hope you guys trust me and try it. So now we are going to use our next ingredient, which is not an Herbalife ingredient. You can get it in any stores. It's called PB2. It's just a healthier version of peanut butter. We're going to use a tablespoon of that. So if you grab your Herbalife measuring spoon, the big side of that is a tablespoon, and we're just going to use 1 scoop of it. Honestly, this is a very hefty scoop, so if you like hefty scoops, go ahead and use a hefty scoop. If not, no big deal. So now we are going to move on, but I just wanted to take a second to thank everyone for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you all for your love and support and sharing. My channel is unbelievable. I can't believe we're on our way to 20K, and I have to just give that up to you guys, because of this just wouldn't be possible without all of you and your love and your support and sharing. I appreciate all of you so very much. So now we are going to move on to the next 3 ingredients, which is pistachio sugar-free pudding mix. And that is 1 tablespoon that I'm adding in there. And then with our next ingredient, it's only going to be 1/2 tablespoon, which is the opposite side, and this is white chocolate sugar-free pudding mix. And then our next ingredient is, of course, cheesecake sugar-free pudding mix. And of course, we are going to be doing the 1/2 tablespoon. So again, it's the opposite side. For those of you who are not aware, the opposite side is just half. So we're going to go ahead and blend all those up in the blender. And while that's blending, I just want to thank you guys for your support on my recipe book online. It is still available for purchase. If you would like to purchase it, check the description below to this video, or just comment and I'll let you know how to purchase my recipe book. You can also search by recipe names in there, as well as say you only want a recipe with mint chocolate, you can check the mint chocolate hashtag and all my mint chocolate recipes will come up. Again, it's a lifetime recipe book, so I do add to it just about every day, every other day. New recipes ongoing forever with me, with a one-time purchasing fee. So if you guys would like to join that recipe book, let me know and I will get you in there. And now that I have my shake all nicely blended, nice and creamy the way I like it, some people like it watery. Me, I like it more like like ice creamy. So this is what it looks like, and what I'm going to do, instead of decorating my cup, I'm actually going to grab my sugar-free whipped cream and I'm going to drizzle that right into the blender on top of my shake. And I'm going to do the same thing with my Hershey's Zero Sugar chocolate syrup. I'm going to drizzle that right on top of that whipped cream, just like that, nice and dirty. Ain't nothing perfect here. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do the marble effect on the on your cup. A lot of people ask me, like, how in the world do you make your shake look like that? Honestly, you see how it's all drizzled on the top of the shake like that inside of the blender? If you pour it into your cup, and as you're pouring it into your cup, just keep spinning it like that. I slowed it down so you can kind of see how I'm spinning the cup like that. So you just pour it in there like that. I just said like that like 12 times in a row. Anyways, just like that. And the shake comes out in there looking beautiful like ice cream. And we're gonna top it off with some more whipped cream and some more Zero Sugar chocolate syrup. There's some people who say I add too much to the shakes, so if you don't like it, don't do it. I mean, you could totally make this without adding more whipped cream on the top, or adding whipped cream in it at all. But again, it's sugar-free whipped cream. It's not that big a deal. But if you're counting everything, I get it. So this is the shake. That was the recipe. I hope you like it. I hope you try it. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Again, if you want my recipe book, let me know. I will let you know how to purchase it. And happy March, guys. Pump it up. Get this shake in your club. Let your clients try it. They'll fall in love. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.